Welcome to another Webflow tutorial. As always, my name's Jasper, and what we're going to be covering today is how to create animated link arrows in Webflow. So here's an example right here. Got the link text and the little arrow going out. So let's jump in and show you how to do it. So right here we've got a simple container, nothing special going on yet. And we're going to chuck a div block in the middle there. We're then going to put a text link. And then we're going to make that a bit bigger, so we'll make it 30, and then we will also change the color. So let's just grab the color from there, chuck it on, there we go. We're going to get rid of that underline, and we're also going to duplicate it. We'll then duplicate the class, we'll call it arrow link 3, nice and simple, and then we'll make it into an arrow. Change that to system UI, there we go, and we're also going to give it a bit of margin, so let's make that 10. Yep, that should work well. And then we're also going to put them as inline blocks, there we go. Now select that div block, we're going to go over to the triggers, we're going to add mouse hover, then we're going to go start animation. Got a new one here, so let's select our arrow. Now we're going to call this arrow start. Awesome. And then we're going to set the first move. Now the first move is going to be 0%, and it's going to be the initial state, so that's why it's at 0. And then we're going to create a second move, and that's going to be 50%, and we're going to do that at 3 seconds, and we'll set that to our output. Output. There we go, and then we're going to save it. Then we're going to need to make a second animation for hovering out. So let's start that, and this will be let's say hover finish. Not very good with the names right now. And then we're going to select this, we're going to make it move, and we're going to set it back to 0% because we need it to move back to where it was. Set it to 3 seconds as well, change that to output, hit save, and that should work. So let's change the text to something else. Let's say moving arrow, and let's hit publish. Great, let's check this out. There you have it. And you've just made a moving arrow in probably about a minute or two. It's just that easy. You know, Webflow makes these things really easy. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. If you've got an idea for other tutorials that you think I should cover, please drop a mention down in the comments section of what you'd like me to cover, and I might just do it. As well, I've been using a new platform for sort of managing leads and sales, as well as my projects as well, and it's actually called monday.com. so if you have a look in the description or maybe even the comment section, I have a link in there to get a forever free account, so you'll be able to try Webflow out and also use it for free forever. So yeah, use that in the description and you'll find the link there. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.